We're in the middle of cleaning an empty unit for Crane Property in Ashland. Somebody's moving in here tomorrow, and I just wanted to show you the dramatic difference. And it's not really a dramatic difference of clean and soiled. When I walk into a carpet cleaning situation like this, and I see the difference from edge to edge like this is somebody that has cleaned the carpet with a home machine or a rental machine and has loaded the carpet up with a lot of toxic cleaner and left a lot of residue behind. So this is the big difference. On the right hand side you can see that we've cleaned the carpet, and over here on the left hand side we have not cleaned the carpet yet, and that's all we're doing is removing the residue. The carpet has browned out is what we call it in the industry from a lot of high alkaline toxic residue. So I just wanted to show you that quickly. Please call us if you need some carpet cleaning done, newageonline.co, or visit us online on our Facebook channel. It's New Age Carpet Upholstery Cleaning on Facebook. Thanks a lot. So what we really want to emphasize here is that this is what will happen if you rent a machine and do it yourself. It's just not a good situation. It'll look okay for a little while, but this is what it will end up looking on the left-hand side after you clean it yourself if you use a rental machine.